talk that she never feel so well. And she just said she will do a pregnancy test. You know,
I'm telling Bree.
Give me phone.
Bree.
Give me phone.
Bree.
Give me the phone.
Bree.
Give me the phone.
Bree, you're there on my foot.
Me not business.
You're there on my foot.
Give me phone.
This R&B squad, what's going on, guys? Please don't ask me when me there, because as you can see, I want come inside me there. So don't ask me. Your girl Bree not there right now. So maybe just come up with the idea. So we keep this scandal, you know. We said me there, the girl prank me. If you don't see the last prank, but she pranked me, guys. Yeah, me did hurt. So me I come back for your head. So me I make the inch of in the idea beside I want come and do me hurt. So basically, guys, what me I gonna do in this video right now, as you can see by the thumbnail, check over here, me I put in one voice note where me get one next girl pregnant. Me here look so. Guys, don't watch me here, you understand? Basically, me I go get one next girl pregnant and she go hit me. I couldn't hear the voice note because I done talk to one of my G already, you know. And tell him, say, yo, send me one voice note, come give me. Yo, Bree, I deal with me wicked. So listen here, guys.
I'm so far away now. I say you agree with me. I say you a style thing. I know how you can't go on like. I see same thing too. So I say what you mean by that. What could I go on? I say you style her because she been a call on the phone and come like you block her.
Alright, guys, so listen for your voice note inside of the video. Make sure so you watch out the entire video. So big up all of my day one subscriber them. We are coming, like up. Hey guys, make sure so you like up the video, you know. Click the thumbs up button, you know, man. And remember to subscribe. Please subscribe and click the notification bell so you can be notified. Big up yourself, Rush Link, for the voice note. Big up your damn self. Guys, go follow Rush Link on YouTube. You have a YouTube channel. So Teetapull. Big up yourself for the last thumbnail on the last video, guys. You can run, go check out the thumbnail. That is Teetapull work. So if you don't want to know bad party flyers them, or don't want to know bad thumbnail or no bad YouTube banner, if you don't know if you do the YouTube banner, check out my banner, guys. And he also edit, guys. Information will be in the description, so you can go check him out, guys. Check out his Instagram when he work and him look something I say if you know you like it. If you not look somebody edit for you. Do you understand? So guys, that is that. We're gonna jump in a video. We're gonna wait till Bree come and we're gonna set up the camera and we're just gonna see how she react. Bree, me sorry, but me love you. Subscribe and watch your ads. I was the breezy. Out. Everybody this here loving me. Tifa a nice girl. Tifa is a really nice girl. Really nice girl.
Oh, Jesus.
What? What?
I'm a camera. I'm for dog.
How many of my dog I watch? Them what dog I watch too much sitting, man. Oh God. I'm probably enjoying himself too, you know?
What can do so?
No, Joe.
Yo, brother, walk to your phone. I call your friend D. Don't get no answer. You don't get no call back. But you know if I didn't see me important, I would not abuse you like that. I tell you, you know, some of your passive feel about your place there. Growing up, my cat and same time I see I become cross. Well, I become cross and rude, so I say, what could I cause this? You know? When I come cross, you know, see a sound of the people, sound of style people, you pick them, you say, I be what one. I don't come around so far away, you know, I say, you agree with me, I just say, you style thing, you know, you can't go on like, I same thing too. So I say, what you mean by that?
Why's not done this, sir? Why's not done this, sir? Stop going like an angel when we say.
Rush.
How about that one?
Huh?
How about that one?
You not talk about nothing.
What do you mean he not that one?
You not talk about nothing. Just say something, probably something important, you know.
So listen to say what happened.
Me listen, man, and me kind of get to drip how I'm talking about.
Already?
No, I listen to my head.
Why?
No, I just know I listen to my head. To just...
Come on, listen for you.
What you want to listen for?
Come on, just say what you must say.
What you want to listen for?
Suppose that's something important. Listen to me, hear me, must say.
You want to hear my say?
Yeah.
Why you want to hear my say?
You must say it was something important.
So why you not want to listen?
Come on, let's see something. Come on, see something now.
Wait no. Let me hear myself.
Look what I'm going. I mean, I say I style her because she been a call the phone and come like a black heart. And she call her a street voice, me know how much weeks you call her. And that must be important. Somebody said, look what happened because I don't know where call somebody with. I go just block somebody out.
Me don't know what you talk about, honestly. Me don't know which Abby you talk about.
Abby, I call you.
I mean, I say, why me not block nobody? Me not block nobody.
So who name Abby?
Probably me. Me don't know. Probably I'm wrong messages.
Who name Abby?
Eh?
Who name Abby?
Me don't know.
Yeah, man, what you mean a wrong message?
Around somebody in St. Congi. Come here, know nobody named Abby.
Nah, I did not call. I said probably Monday or so once. So you know you can't lie and say phone. So she has said she knows certain things, but it's important to see you could have call her back or something. So I said, Abby, what?
Who know Abby?
I said, Abby, I tell me say for the last time when I link up, like a couple of weeks after she never leave somewhere. And she has said she go do a pregnancy test. You know what I said? Mama said she did pregnant.
Pregnant who?
Me don't know no Abby.
Pregnant who?
I don't know what I talk about.
Pregnant who?
I don't know what I talk about. Me have to go call me. I call me come more.
Call him right now.
The man supposed to
Call
be
him
busy.
right now.
The man supposed to be busy.
Busy so late?
Busy, I mean.
Who name Abby?
Me don't know who name Abby.
Stop it.
Listen, me don't know. Probably I wrong somebody in Senegal.
A man say Rick in a voice note. How?
You know, probably I somebody what? Probably how our next nigga name. Listen, relax.
Who name Abby?
Relax.
Who name Abby?
Relax.
Who name Abby?
Me don't know who name
Who
Abby.
does make feel?
Listen.
Who name Abby?
Listen. Your eye them a get red. Listen.
Don't tell me to listen.
Listen.
You listen to me and answer my question.
Listen. Just relax.
Don't tell
First of all, me don't know who name Abby.
So we have to, you're not going to
Me don't know who name Abby.
Who name Abby?
A mistake. But I don't know any man have name as Ricky, you know?
Shut up, you think me
And I mean one name so probably mix up it two a we.
Call him right now.
The man supposed to be busy. The man say
Call him right now.
the man say
The man never said nothing.
The man say I deal with some things, brother.
So how long that? He must can spare a second. Call him. Call him man. Call him man right now.
The man be can't call the man right now.
Let me call
For what?
Let me call him.
For what? You have to tell me the man, make him man. Me tell you say a mistake. Me every man will talk. And me bring him come to you and me tell make you know say yo a foolish done. A man love run certain joke too.
Can you take man for you that?
You can't hide him and get rid for no reason.
Don't look for my item.
You can't hide and get rid for no
Don't look
reason.
for my item.
Relax man.
Let me alone.
Just relax.
Leave me alone.
Never talk to him about this.
So call
Listen,
him
never talk to
man.
him. Never talk to
Call
him.
him
Me
right
and me
now.
talk man to man and make you know say yo, why you the foolish brother?
When my door was full in Israel, you know one thing to send no voice, no back to you.
No.
Expose
Me just have to say I
lying,
joke.
cheated ass.
Me have to tell him say a joke thing, you
Who
never
is
know what kind of
Abby?
foolish is this.
When the guys Smith feel, answer my question them. Who name Abby when the guys Smith feel, oh she pregnant.
Listen. Hear me I say. You understand? Me don't know why me don't know no Abby, me don't got no Smith.
So me say call the man right now.
You can't call him man now.
Why you can't call
The
him?
man no must busy or in gone for the good settings and doing little
Call him
thing.
right now, call him right now.
Me can't call him man.
Stop telling me say you can't call him.
So where you told me for?
Call him right now.
Bree.
Give me phone.
Bree.
Give me
Listen,
the phone now.
listen. Does you calm down now?
I'm
Calm down, me say me no know who him so. Relax yourself, no man. I tell you, say calm down.
Alright.
Listen, come here. Listen.
Leave me alone, man. Call the man. You not call the man.
What me a call him man for?
Call the guy.
What me a call him man must have deal with him business. Me can't call him man.
Wait for me.
We want to talk to him man for?
I just want to ask him something.
We want to ask him. Ask me question. We want to ask him.
Call him and tell
Tomorrow
him.
me and him man we talk. Me
Call
and
him right now. Tell him say get him voice note. Wagwan. Call him. Wait phone.
tomorrow me talk to him. Me tell it. Bree.
Give me phone.
Bree.
Give me phone.
Bree.
Give me the phone.
Bree.
Give me the phone.
Bree, you're there on my foot.
Me not busy.
You're there on my foot.
Give me phone.
This. You're there on my foot, brother. What's up? Yo. Bree. Relax now.
Give me
Relax.
the phone.
Relax.
Give me the phone.
Let's calm down now. Come here, talk about this.
I don't want to talk about
You're there on my
this.
foot, brother. You're there on my foot.
What?
Me relax now.
Give me
You know, serious, I get upset in
Just give me phone then.
Hey, what we are going to do with the phone?
Just give me phone.
Where you going to torment the man for?
Come give me not torment nobody.
Where want to ask him? Ask me where you want to ask
Let
him.
me ask.
Where you want to ask him? Where you want to ask
Give me the
him?
phone now.
Where you want to ask
Give me
him?
phone.
Ask me. Bree.
Leave me alone.
We just relax. Listen, me going to talk to him tomorrow. And you're going to realize say get upset in vain.
Okay.
Not like that, because I don't know who name no Abby. I'm going to know girl named pregnant.
Alright. To be talked about. So leave me alone.
Come here, man, and be yourself.
Left me
Yeah, come here and be
alone.
yourself. Come here and be yourself, man.
Leave me alone.
So we are going with big still. We are going with big still.
It's Joe. Don't make us fight with. Leave me alone.
B, come here. Honestly, come here.
Leave me
Just for me
alone.
talk to you about this.
Leave me alone.
So you just so big thing for you enter
Just, I don't want to hear you. They go fashion, you know?
B, come here now.
They got fashion.
We are doing that.
They got fashion.
We are doing that, man.
They got fashion.
Bad. Man.
They got fashion.
Bad. You are born not in a youth. You're born that in a you that hot, you know. But Bree, come here. Aye, come here. Come sit down, sir. Come here.
If you don't take a banana from me.
Come here. Let's come
If
here.
you don't take a banana from me.
Come here. Calm down. Bree, calm down, man. Come here. Come sit down right here, sir. Come here.
Leave me, no man.
Come sit down. Let me talk to you. Let me tell you.
Talk.
Come here.
Talk.
Come here, sir. May I talk to you? Come.
Yeah.
Don't we talk as a couple now and make things out as a
We are
couple
not
now?
no couple again.
What do you mean we are no couple again?
You are a real couple.
Come here, may I talk to you?
Listen, someone just right in front of you where you want me. Listen.
So what you have here so far?
What you say?
Sit down.
I don't have to sit down.
Come, sit down.
Don't touch me.
Where you get so violent for? Just sit down and say no.
What you want?
Listen, me gonna talk to him on tomorrow. Come,
Okay.
sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Don't touch me.
Just sit down now.
Where is it?
Give me a hand now.
What?
Where I do this for? Where I do this for?
Where you want to do that for?
Where I do this for? Where I
Where you
do
want to
this
do that for?
You broke my foot.
Where you want to do that for? You need to say all of this happen before you go to work and give me money. And make people pregnant? Brother, you idiot?
Listen, me don't know who named Abby. Me don't know who named Abby. Me tell you that two Ricky man know. Two
Listen to
Ricky.
me. Call him right now to verify. Say it's not you. Call him right now. It's someone yeah hi, so you don't want to call him.
Me tell you, me will talk to him on tomorrow.
So what happened to now?
Tomorrow.
What happened to now?
Tomorrow.
What happened to now?
The man probably out of the unique business or I take care. Sorry. I take care of little situation them.
Him can never
Listen,
too busy. He say, yo, you
listen,
know say never you
Papa
forget.
ram too much. Me say me will talk to him tomorrow, me go check him. And I have to say what make him ram so hard, what make him ram so hard.
Call him right now. It not take him more than 1 minute to say, yo, me see you send me one voice note, you know, what that for? And then I look back on you and I say, oh, me right that. You know, say, I mistake. What hard in that? Less than 1 minute.
Me can't call him now, honestly.
Okay, bye.
But wait, me talk to him. Listen. Now let's say me can't call him now, let's say okay.
We take so long and I hear phone ring.
Yo, Rush,
Yo,
are you to sleep?
yo, over.
Watch out, you see text you send come give me. Why you tell the girl that say I wrong friend that send it come give? I don't know if you get it.
I used to get you on Friday.
Tell him if you get it. Tell him now.
It's so accurate. It's so accurate. Very well.
Okay. Okay.
Yo, let me know in the brother.
Yo, big up yourself, dog.
Alright, let me know when you be there, John.
Ah, we did her.
Yeah.
Fuck yo. Yo, guys. Where that hide from? Where that hide from? Come here, man. It's a team rig. It's a team rig. Hey, guys. You see that door? I know you want me to you make me a knuckle hot in the man. I tell you God almighty truth, but guys, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning in. If you reach this far, remember to like the video. Remember to subscribe, guys. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each time we post a video. And leave a thumbs up. As always. Remember to share the video to your auntie, uncle, brother, sister, or your grandmother. You understand? So, this was a success, guys. So stay tuned until the other video.